Hey, I'm John, and I've been a raft guide for 3 years now. No matter how many times I head down this wonderful stretch of the Arkansas River, the happiness on my paddlers' faces and the feeling of a lively bucking raft beneath me always makes my job rewarding. From whitewater in the morning to camping and cooking in the evening, I appreciate every second of it. It's rewarding work, but hard, and sometimes I just need to sneak away to take a breather, recharge, and refuel. Then, it's back on the river for more adventure.